Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a really fun chill day. As you can see, I'm just basic. Excuse the mess, and I have my glasses on. If you guys didn't know, I wear glasses. So today I'm just gonna be cleaning. It's like a clean day. I'm a mess, and I apologize in advance, but yeah, it's just being a really rough week for me. Not too bad, nothing serious, but yeah, it's been like really tough, and I just moved back like for the winter semester, so it's just a lot in my room, and I've not unpacked everything, and I've been sorting out clothes and stuff like that, doing my nails at the same time. It's just rough. So it's like, you know what, let me just cleanse my soul and my body and my life today. So today we're just gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna show you the real thing, the before and the after. So yeah, I hope you like and enjoy this video. It's just a really chill video. I don't know what time it is where you are, but yeah, it's really like probably like 11 right now here. So yeah, so let's get started. I don't know what I'm gonna start first, but probably, I don't know, we'll just go like from here. But yeah, I'll show you the mess and let's get into the video. Okay, so yeah, this is my room. Like, this is a summary of my room. Like, look at what it is right now. Just look at that. Just look at that. I don't have anywhere to put my feet on. Like, it's a mess. So yeah, like I was just like doing some nails yesterday. I was practicing and stuff, and then this mess happened, and I don't want to touch it because it's on my shoes. Like, you can see it's on my shoes right there, and oh my god, it's really bad. So yeah, it's just this like powder, and I just touched it. So yeah, it's powder, so I didn't want to touch it, so I just left it right there. So yeah, I was just like doing some practice nails. Here there's some like cute little nails. They'll be on my website soon for orders. So, and yeah, you guys know I have a nail channel, so follow that nail channel to see everything, how I make the nails. I'm gonna be recording videos how I make those. So yep. Okay, so yeah, moving on. This is still a mess. This is the thing I was messing with yesterday. I had ordered this like 2 months ago, and I didn't know how to open this, and that happened. So yeah, this is just like some more nail stuff. I got food in here. Oh my god, you guys. Yeah, it's just a mess. And like some of my mask and like some glitters and stuff. I got a pot because I need some energy, and then like just yeah, all my mess. This is all my mess in my desk area. Now when you move here, this is like the worst part. Like, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Like, it's not really bad. It's just like most of the things are like already in bags. Like, I just have to put them away and stuff. Like all those clothes, like I cleaned them before, like, you know, I left for the semester for the break. But yeah, it's just like I have to put this stuff away. And this is my bed. Like, oh my god. Like, it's just like stuff everywhere. Like, look, I don't have place. Like, this is the only place in this room that I can put my feet down. Like, excuse my toes. But yeah, everything else is like, look, it's just a mess. I got my wig right here. Like, oh my god, my laptop is just right there, you guys. I got food up there again. I got my wine. So this is what we're gonna work with today. Just clean all of this up, and then yeah, this is my room right now. That is the before, you guys. I'm not ashamed to show. It's okay. You can be messy sometimes, but you just gotta clean. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I'm not gonna put anything in order. Whatever I feel like doing, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll just put you on time lapse and stuff like that. Hopefully this turns out really good, which of course it's gonna be. But yeah. Okay, yes. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna take the stuff out of the room and like just lay them around here, so like I have like room to work with, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Just take some bags, some of the things that are already packed, put them back here, and then so I can start cleaning first, like get the trash out and stuff, and then from there I'll just start getting stuff back in, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna put you on time lapse so you can just see me walk back and forth, and let's do it.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it because
Okay, so this is what we have. I moved everything, well, the big things outside. these are like all the clothes I'm gonna like donate or like give away or like stuff. But yeah, it's like stuff I don't need. The clothes I'm not gonna use, and then here just sort of have everything else. Here like my nail stuff, and this is what we have. So now I have a lot of space. I can put my feet down. So what I'm gonna do is I want to take these clothes in here because they're all clean. I'll put them on my bed, like dump them off my bed, so I can use the hamper to like put like these clothes. Some of them are clean, but I mean, since they're like down here, I just have to go like wash them, you know, like yeah. So I'm just gonna use the hamper, put everything on, lay down on my bed, or just like, you know, squeeze like that, and then I'll put the clean clothes on the bed, and then I use the hamper to put all these, which is gonna like free up most of the stuff. So that's what we're gonna do.
When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines, and after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be.
So this is what we're looking like. Okay, my room is coming to its sense now. So now I have a lot of space to work with, like yeah. So everything is actually outside there. Now I'm gonna start like bringing one thing at a time, like so I know what goes where, you know. But first, before that, I'm gonna work on this part. Like I'm just watching like animal stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean this part first, and then I'll start bringing the stuff in. So again, you guys, I'm holding up so good. So yeah, let's just do it. Keep going, you know, clean.
Flip-flops with the socks high. My dad was driving me down to the diamond. Backseat, and I thought I was gonna make it big time. Maybe it's crazy to think we're the same kid. It's just circles in my head. I've been running after something I know money couldn't help. Always starving for my purpose. Maybe I ain't found it yet. Honest questions with my mother. All these things you think you want, will they ever be enough? Looking for the answers where they used to be. At the center of it all for everyone to see. If I lose all the attention and I own nothing, it's just her and me on a bench in the street with Dolly underneath. That would be enough for me. That would be enough for me.
Okay guys, so this is my desk right now. It's super clean, and I arranged everything, cleaned out everything, wiped out all those, still like some colors here, but I'll clean that. So yeah, this is what we're looking like look at these nails, you guys. I just put them here for like display. So yeah, they'll be up on my Etsy. I'll put the link if you guys want to check out my Etsy. And yeah, so this is my desk, so clean, super clean. This is my work area. I try like to put all my nail stuff like up here. I changed those like just like phone cases, but yeah, so now it's just all my nail stuff on the shelf right there, and then usually just up their bags and stuff. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is now start to take the stuff from outside there, and then right there you can see them. So I'm taking those things, bringing them back in one at a time, so I can like arrange, because those are like the stuff I'm not using most of the time, especially the things in the bags. So maybe I'll put them under my bed and stuff. So yeah, again, back to time lapse. So yeah, you guys, I'm super tired and hungry, but yeah, it's a lot to do.
That will be enough for me. Yeah, that will be enough for me. Yeah, that will be enough for me. It's just circles in my head. I've been running
Okay, you guys, so I'm almost done and I'm so hungry and I'm tired right now. My room is kind of tidy, like I've put everything where it's supposed to be. Now what I have to do, I want to go do laundry. I'll take the clothes that I put in the hamper before and then I'll go do laundry and then come back and fix this mess right here. I'm gonna have to fold all these clothes, they're all clean, so I'm gonna fold them and then put them in my closet and then go do while I do the other laundry. So hopefully when that one is done, I'll be able to be done with this one so I can fold that one, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that is the update. So I'll keep updating you. I'll take you to my laundry room with me and then yeah, just dump the clothes in there, come back right here and start working on that. I'm really hungry and super tired right now, but yeah, I'm really proud of myself. Update time. Okay, so guys, I'm done. I'm finally done. I'm so excited. So here I'm gonna have some food because I'm super hungry. I haven't had anything since morning and I'm so hungry, guys. And my roommates are angels. They brought me pizza. So yeah, I'm gonna have some pepperoni pizza, breadstick, and some dessert. I don't know what this is, but it's so good. So yeah, That's what I'm gonna be doing, eating, and then I'll show you the finished product of my room. But I'm done, so I'm super excited and so tired, and I need to take a hot shower. So yeah, see you guys at the end. Okay guys, so I am done with my food and everything, and I actually forgot that I was filming. I had my food and I was watching TV. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys my final product of my room. It's nothing serious, but you know, like the before and after. So you guys saw the before, and I'm just gonna show you how I cleaned and how it looks like right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna close this mini vlog right here. Hopefully you liked it, my relaxed video day. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe for more vlogs. Let me know what you want to see next. But yeah, I'm just gonna close the video right here, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, and don't forget to watch my final product of my room.
Leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time,